Hello everyone. I introduce to you the Lowrider Tricycle 3000, brought to you by Helbock Motors. Now I'll bring you to the pictures of my tricycle. Here I have it in black and gray to give it a more stealthier look. As you can tell, it's a laid back and stylish design. When designing this tricycle, as an engineer I have an ethical responsibility to design the bike with the safety of the rider in mind. Therefore, I consider the rider's safety when creating this tricycle. Next, we can get to the simulation here and let that play through. As you can tell, everything moves together. Front and back wheels move together along with the pedals. The pedals stay and the rider can ride on it correctly. Next, we can get to the parts, or I can show you the full bike in the correct colors that I chose. There it is there. So the first part would be the back axle. I created these side caps to keep the wheels on. The next part is the bike seat, which would be created out of leather material. It's larger to provide comfort and stability. Next we can get to the tire here, the rim. The rim here, this is the front tire rim. The back tire rim are just, the back rims are just two smaller rims of the front tire. The wheel and axle are a rigid fit because we want them moving in unison so that when the pedals are used, they will be directly rotating the wheel. The rims I decided to make out of aluminum to make them lightweight and durable. The next part here is the frame. The frame we have designed to provide lowrider's specifications. We have an angled hole here, and the seat hole, and the back axle we can put through right here. The next part is the front bar for the pedals, front axle. It's a simple design where the pedals are placed on each side. The next part we get to is the front piece. This front piece is angled into the frame, and the front axle goes right through here. Handlebars go right on top. The next piece we get to is the handlebars. This will go right on top of the front piece, and they are angled toward you since the whole front piece is angled toward you, so the rider has an easier ride. Also, I want to mention the seat on the frame is a rigid fit that I constrained in all directions to prevent it from moving while the tricycle is in motion. And now we get to the pedal. This pedal will be made out of plastic. As you can tell, I made it here. I made some holes through it to decrease price and weight. The pedals and axle were assembled in a loose fit that allowed the pedals to rotate 360 degrees, while the hole in the pedal was constrained to the bar of the axle. The next piece here we have is the tire. We have a large tire on the front, and the two back tires are smaller. We have the treads on them to provide traction in most weather conditions. And the next thing I just wanted to show you is the drawings, where we have the tolerances here that I created as 0.01. This is for the pedal. There's a drawing for the pedal. And I think that's it. Thank you.